Welcome to another episode of Everything Southeast Minnesota. Today we are here at American Family Insurance with Enrique.
Yes.
Why don't you introduce yourself, tell everybody kind of what you do here?
For sure. So my name is Enrique Barajas. I'm a licensed insurance agent here at American Family. I work for Travis Armand. I've been working here since July of 2022.
Perfect. So Enrique, tell us a little bit about American Family Insurance and really what sets you apart from maybe your competitors.
For sure. So here at our agency, our mission is to protect families from the unexpected by providing personalized insurance solutions.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, why don't we jump into a little bit about you? What drove you to insurance, and maybe what were you doing beforehand that got you to come into this career path?
For sure. So before I started doing insurance, I was actually in car sales here at a local dealership. I wanted to switch over to insurance more to kind of help customers like on a more personal level base. I feel like that's something that I do a lot here. Also teach our community about what insurance actually is. I run into a lot of situations when people are just, I don't even know why I'm paying for insurance, and it's nice to actually provide them the definition of what it really is.
The education is very important on that, and I totally understand your reason for switching to insurance. It's more of a long-term relationship than a car sale. It's kind of a one thing and you follow up, but how often do you do that? Versus insurance happens when life happens.
Yeah, no, that's definitely what it is. You're dealing with customers on a regular basis.
Right. Tell us a little bit more about how you make sure that the policy or the coverage aligns with each client's needs.
For sure. So, it's always nice to have somebody come into the office, sit down with them and kind of go through everything to make sure it's what they need. It's definitely something we can do over the phone, but having that face-to-face contact is always the best. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions about your home that could be different from somebody else's. So, or your vehicles or your life insurance needs as well too. That has a lot to do with what everybody else's needs are.
That's awesome. So, Enrique, as the most professional insurance agent that I've ever met, what are your long-term goals?
My goal definitely is to keep helping customers and protect them from the unexpected, and I think I would definitely like to have my own agency one day as well too.
That'd be awesome. And a 2-year goal?
I think that'd be a little bit more. Yeah, maybe more than 2 years. I still have a lot to learn, but it's a good learning.
So education's core value of yours.
Yes, definitely.
Receiving and giving. That's awesome. So here at this location at 923 North Broadway here in Rochester, I have to ask, how many accidents have you personally witnessed?
We've seen a couple of them, a lot of road rage as well too, especially around that 5 o'clock time. We see a lot of it. Yeah.
It seems like the rush hour, like nobody works till 5.
Yeah. I mean, it's like
3:30. What are you all doing?
Yeah, well,
Get back
it's
to
Broadway. It's Broadway. It's always busy.
Mm-hmm. In your view, how has the industry of insurance really evolved in recent years?
For sure. So I'm pretty new to this, like I said, but still, I mean, we've had so many changes in this last year. A lot of insurance companies are, putting a little bit more of the risk on the customer, but it's also helping them out on their monthly payment. So it's changing a lot, and it's probably going to continue to change, but we'll still be here to help them out.
We had a good stint of no more storms.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, that and no more accidents.
This is your second roof in 2 years.
Yeah.
Could you give me an example of how your diverse expertise in the field has helped clients overcome obstacles?
Yeah, definitely. So me being bilingual has definitely helped me out a lot, and a lot of our customers that Travis already had before I started, helping them out, obviously explaining more to them, what it is their coverages are in Spanish, and helping a lot of new customers too that are, kind of were stuck in the same situation, and now they can, branch out with me being able to help them out in Spanish.
That's awesome. Overcoming language barriers is just a huge asset.
Yeah, it definitely.
Anywhere.
It definitely helps.
Just so they, on both ends, right? You feel more comfortable that they understand, and they feel more comfortable.
Oh yeah, the trust is,
with what's given there. So
the trust is huge.
Huge trust amount there. Outside of being wildly successful in insurance, what are your hobbies or interests outside of work?
For sure. So one I love spending time with my family, and riding motorcycles is definitely up there as well too. I also love doing odd jobs. I actually work at a couple local restaurants as well too.
Nice. Chef?
Both. I've bartended,
Okay.
served, and cooked.
All of it.
Yeah.
That's odd jobs.
Yeah.
How do your personal interests or hobbies affect or influence, I suppose, your relationship with your clients?
So it's interesting sometimes because like one day, you know, I'll be sitting there helping them with a claim, and the next day I'll be serving them a beer at the bar that I work at. Or sometimes, you know, I'll be riding with some of my friends, and then, you know, next thing they're my insurance customers. So I feel like I get to help everybody, you know, kind of no matter where I'm at.
All right, switching it up to some fun questions. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? If you could have dinner with any celebrity, who would it be and why?
I would probably say Dwayne Johnson.
Cool.
For
The
sure.
Rock.
Yeah, The Rock.
Cool.
I feel like
Awesome.
he could probably eat a lot of protein, and I'm definitely down for a good steak.
All right. I like it. You get just the whole hog.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, Hawaiian. I'm
Yeah.
sure he's doing a whole big roast.
Okay.
Okay. Imagine you have an entire day without any work-related responsibilities. How would you spend it?
Probably, I'm actually not probably, I definitely would spend it on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of motorcycle?
I have a 2022 Z900.
I know very little.
Yes. It's,
A dirt bike?
no, it's a, like it's
cruiser?
called a naked street bike.
Okay.
It's loud, it's fast.
Okay. Got insurance?
Yeah. Oh yeah, got all the insurance.
Make it sure. For the bike. No,
Right.
I don't even do anything. As long as
And
the
life
bike is okay.
insurance. And life insurance.
Okay. So, started with car sales.
Yep.
Moved into insurance.
Yep.
Big fan of motorcycles.
Yes.
So I have to ask the audience question here. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is definitely blue.
Definitely blue.
Yeah.
Blue. It was obvious. Obvious. Like that question. Well, Enrique, very nice to meet you. Could you please tell us how we get a hold of you, your locations, your website, phone number, everything?
For sure. So you can find us right here on North Broadway, like you said. We also have an office in Caston, Minnesota. So yeah, you can always call us at 507-289-7494, or you can look us up at Armin & Associates LLC.
Perfect. Thanks again for watching another episode of Everything Southeast Minnesota. This is your local spotlight with American Family Insurance. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Cheers.